Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Klarna account. Let's get started. First, log into your Klarna account. It's best to do this on a web browser for the smoothest experience, though you can also start from the app. Eventually, you'll be directed to a browser either way. Once you're logged in, click on the settings option. From there, scroll down to privacy and security, then tap on privacy. Now, click on Request Your Personal Data. This will open a new tab. Scroll down until you see Exercise your right to deletion of your personal account. Then lastly, fill out the form with your name, email, date of birth, and other required details. Then hit Submit. This sends your deletion request directly to Klarna's support team. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.